Hi, I'm DaRealLesley, and today I'm going to teach you 5 beginner-friendly tap steps. So we're going to jump right in and we're going to start with step, hill. So the first thing you want to do is bend your knees, keep your knees nice and soft, and have your weight forwards onto your legs, all right? So your legs should feel nice and easy, yes? Right. First, you're going to go onto the ball of your foot, step, and then heel, heel. Again, ball, heel, okay? So you're stepping into that ball, then your heel's going down to the ground. Again, on the other foot, step, heel, step, heel. So we've got step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Knees, keep those knees soft. And again from the front, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Now, remember, you want to put your weight into that and then into the heel. And you want to separate the sounds. Okay, now we're going to go a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. A bit faster. You're using the ball of the foot, the heel of the foot, and the flat of the foot. Those are the main parts of your taps that you use. Ball, heel, and flat, okay? So step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. The next step we're going to do is a cramp roll. Cramp roll is one of my favorite tap steps. So first we're going to go spring onto the ball, spring, step, heel, heel. Again, spring, step, heel, heel. Okay? Spring, step, heel, heel. Spring, step, heel, heel. Spring, step, heel, heel. Spring, step, heel, heel. Okay, now we're going to try it from the side. Spring, step, heel, heel. Spring, step, heel, heel. Spring, step, heel, heel. Good. Do that one more time. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Spring, step, heel, heel. Spring, step, heel, heel. And now we're going to go a bit quicker. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and... So we're going to try it a little bit faster. Ready? Later on, when you get comfortable with this step, you'll be able to travel the step, you'll be able to turn this cramp roll, and there's so much variations of using the cramp roll. So once you've got this in the bag, you can then learn a 4-beat, 5-beat, 6-beat, and so on, all right? So the next step we're going to do is a shuffle ball change. Now, a shuffle ball change is actually 2 steps combined, a shuffle and a ball change. A shuffle is a forward tap and a back tap, okay? Keeping the knee nice and relaxed, and it's coming from the ankle. Forward tap, backward tap. Forward tap, backward tap. Shuffle, shuffle. To the side, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Good. Shuffle. Then we're going to go step, ball change. Shuffle, ball change. So we're going to go shuffle, ball change. And shuffle, ball change. And let's try it facing the side. We're going to go shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change. That's it. shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. All right? Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. So next up, we've got flaps. Okay, so flaps is a really fun step and it's nice and relaxed. So you're going to want to throw your leg forward. Exactly, just like that. Now, it looks very, 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 very simple, and it is very, very simple, but you do need to let your legs go and relax and throw that leg forward into the floor, and then you'll make 2 sounds. That's it. Flap. Literally throw. That's it. And the other side. Okay, let's have a side view. Ready? That's it. And the other side. Ready? Good. And we can try doing a double flap. That's it. And again. So we're going to flap forwards. Ready? And flap, 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 flap. And you can also flap to the side. Yes? Forward, side. Flap, flap. And those are your flaps. So the last step is your tap, step, heel. So we did ball heels at the beginning, and now we're going to add a tap step. So you're going to go tap, all right? Tap, step on it, heel into the floor. Again, tap, step, heel. Tap, step, heel. So you're literally tapping the base, the ball of your foot, the sole of your foot here. Yes, the ball of the foot here. And you're tapping that into the floor with a forward motion. And then you're going to step on it and put your heel down. So tap, step, heel. That's it. Again, tap, step, heel. All right. Now we're going to try some tap, step, heels coming forwards. Ready? Tap, step, heel. Tap, step, heel. Da 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 da. There you have it. Those are your 5 beginner-friendly tap steps. You can do these in your dances, you can practice these and drill these, because these can lead to so many more tap steps and so many more variations. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.